Hi students, welcome to Evershine Coaching Center. Myself Shah Faisal sir here. Dear students, today we are going to discuss the very important concept related to SSLC latest syllabus. And children, make sure that today we are discussing with the subject mathematics, and it is the latest revised reduced final syllabus for the academic year 2020-21 of Karnataka State Board. Children, make sure the things, now what are all the things we are going to discuss in this session, it's very important, and this is the final update as I have said you. Okay, so please copy down the things what all I am going to mention here. See children, first chapter is arithmetic progression. In this chapter there is no changes is been done, you have to study the full chapter. And next, coming back to the chapter triangles, in this you can see there is a proof, that is SSS and SAS criteria. So these two theorems proofs are deleted, and that's nothing but theorem 2.4 and theorem 2.5. These both the theorems have got deleted. Okay, you no need to study the proof, but you have to solve the problems related to the proof. And also converse of Pythagoras theorem is excluded. They have removed the converse of Pythagoras theorem. They won't ask you in this exam to prove converse of Pythagoras theorem, but you can expect the problems related to this. Are you getting my point? Once again I will repeat. देखो बेटा, प्रूफ्स जो है SSS क्राइटेरिया और SAS क्राइटेरिया का प्रूफ आपको एग्जाम में पूछा नहीं जाएगा. ओके, प्रूव करने के लिए. एंड ऑल्सो कॉन्वर्स ऑफ पाइथागोरस थ्योरम को भी आपको प्रूव करना नहीं चाहिए. आई मीन आपको क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा. हो सकता है कि पाइथागोरस का थ्योरम है लेकिन कॉन्वर्स ऑफ पाइथागोरस थ्योरम नहीं है. अर्थ आಯ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? once again I am repeating this because you have to be very careful with this part. ಓಕೆ, ಥಿಯರಮ್ 2.4 ಮತ್ತು ಥಿಯರಮ್ 2.5 ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗೆ ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೈಥಾಗರಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮು ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಥಿಯರಮ್ಸು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್, ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಬಲ್ पेयर मेथड. ओके, सो दिस 3 टॉपिक्स आर एक्सक्लूडेड. ओके, आपको सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड और रेड्यूसिबल पेयर मेथड के ऊपर आपको क्वेश्चंस एग्जाम में नहीं आएंगे. इससे पहले जो वाला है जैसे कि ग्राफिकल मेथड है एंड एलिमिनेशन मेथड, वो 2 मेथड्स एग्जाम के लिए आपको आएंगे, और उसके बाद के जो मेथड्स इधर पे जो दिया है वो नहीं आएंगे, जैसे कि सब्स्टिट्यूशन, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड रेड्यूसिबल पेयर मेथड. दिस 3 मेथड्स विल नॉट बी आस्क्ड फॉर योर फाइनल बोर्ड एग्जाम and you won't get any questions related to this. And next, coming back to the chapter circles, you have to study the full chapter as it is. Circles, there is no changes is been done. You want to study the full chapter of circles. Next chapter, areas related to circles. This complete chapter has got deleted. Okay, there will be no question will be asked from this chapter. ये पूरा chapter delete हो चुका है. आपको कौन से भी क्वेश्चंस इस चैप्टर से आपको नहीं पूछे जाएंगे. ओके, ಯಾವ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸು ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್, ಒನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ವಿ ದ ಎವರ್ಷನ್ ಕೋಚಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ we used to conduct classes from class 6 to 10th standard and also for PUC, science, commerce and arts, and admissions have already started. If any student wanted to join for our coaching classes, regular batch, you can contact us. Okay, so admissions, hurry up, limited seats. We have a limited batches and we have a single batch system in our institute. That is the reason. Next, the chapter constructions, no changes. You have to study the full chapter of constructions. And next, coordinate geometry, you have to study the full chapter of coordinate geometry. There is no changes is been done. And real numbers, full chapter has got deleted. Polynomials, full chapter has got deleted. These 2 chapters completely it has been deleted. You won't get any questions related to these chapters. Next, quadratic equation, you have full quadratic equation as it is, but only one method, that is to solve the variables, that is the value of x you have to solve, right? That completing square method. So we have three methods actually, that is factorization method, completing the square method, and formula method. So we have three methods to solve the problem, but out of this completing square method is been deleted. You no need to use completing square method to solve the problem. You can get other methods to solve, but completing square method you no need to use also while you are solving the problem. Next, coming back to the chapter trigonometry, no changes. You have to study this full chapter. And children's, and the location, if you want to join our regular classes, we have our regular batches which is been run in Tandy Road branch and Shivaji Nagar branch in Bangalore, and the location has been given here, the address, and the landmark of Tandy Road branch is near Mediscope Hospital or opposite to Muslim Colony bus stop, and Shivaji Nagar branch, it is near Modi Masjid, that's nothing but near Shivaji Nagar bus stand. Okay, and the rest of the details is been given out here. You can just contact us in case if you want to join our regular batch. And next chapter is application of trigonometry. No changes is been done. You have to study the full chapter. And statistics, see children, in statistics we have mean, median and mode. So these are the three topics what we have going to solve. In this we have a method called as a mean. If you want to solve mean, we have another three sub methods to solve mean. आपको mean solve करने के लिए फिर आपको direct method है और assumed mean method और step deviation method. ये तीन method से हम mean को solve करते हैं. We can find the mean by using three methods, that is direct method, assumed mean method and step deviation method. But here your assumed mean and step deviation method is been cancelled. Okay, but you are going to solve only direct method and you will be getting a very simple problem related to mean. You no need to stretch your mind a lot while you are solving the problems of statistics. Just try to solve the basic problems, simple problems like one word, like 1 mark questions kind of a thing in the chapter statistics related to mean, but you can give more focus on mode and median. Okay, here assumed mean method and step deviation method has got cancelled to find mean. To find mean, these two methods has got cancelled. You have to use direct method. आपको बस डायरेक्ट मेथड इस्तेमाल करना है मीन फाइंड आउट करने के लिए, और बाकी का जो भी है सब कुछ ऐसा ही रहेगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट probability. This complete chapter has got deleted. No questions will be asked from the chapter probability. And next we have the chapter surface areas and volumes. Here you have to study this full chapter, and remember children, this chapter carries maximum weightage of marks. You no need to skip this chapter, and you can expect a long answer carrying question from this chapter. That is the reason. Okay, and one important thing children, still if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel Evershine Coaching Groups, you can just subscribe and click the bell icon. And very soon and shortly we are coming with the live classes. We are planning to start live YouTube live class where you can watch me, and I will be going to present you the important questions, important topics I will bring back, and I will be making you the setup of a timetable, everything. So we have a future plan and many things we are planning to do for you all. Okay, but the only thing is you have to reach to us with a link. That is the reason. The only link what we have, that is the subscription. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon. So whenever whatever we are planning to come forward to help you all, definitely the information will be reached to you on time. That is the reason. That's it, nothing else. And also you can follow me with other social networking websites. I hope you all have understood. If you have liked this session, so do not forget to click the like button and share this video as much as possible to your all friends. Let they also get to know what is the latest updates and revised syllabus for the upcoming SSLC board exam. Okay, share and also try to comment here how was this class. Wish you all the best of luck. Do well. Keep watching. Bye bye.